It's been exactly 1 year since I dedicated my whole life into dropshipping, and I was able to generate over 6 figures just last 7 days. And these are 3 things that I would do differently if I had to start everything all over again from scratch tomorrow. Make sure you guys stay tuned till the end of this video. Trust me, you guys will save so much time from this. Enough talking, let's get right into the first point. My first point is where I wasted the most amount of time trying to reinvent the whole wheel. When I started dropshipping and I saw these big gurus talking about the ads and the websites as well, I tried to make my website look better. I thought that I was able to make better ads, better videos, and I was trying different styles, but honestly I was just being arrogant. So me trying to reinvent the wheel actually made me waste so much time, and I kind of learned it the hard way, where I just need to stick to something that's really working and add a little twist to it rather than you trying to reinvent the whole wheel and trying to change the whole system. So one thing that I would do is I would try to soak in as much information as I possibly can in the beginning, so that when I take actions, I know exactly what I'm supposed to be doing rather than you just wandering around wasting time. And also really dropping your ego, actually taking actions based on their recommendations. So ultimately the best results that I was able to get was when I do market research. I try to find big brands and try to see how they're running, how they're operating from their end in terms of marketing, the website funnels and things like that, and just really trying to make small little tweaks rather than you trying to reinvent the wheel. The second thing that I would do differently is invest in more time learning about marketing. A lot of gurus or a lot of big YouTubers on YouTube or other courses out there, they don't go in depth when it comes to marketing and making ads. You guys have to make an ad that can be engaging and also a video that can target the right audience from the first 3 seconds of the video, because you guys have to understand the video is the bridge for your customers to walk over to your website, or that website will be able to convert those prospects into customers. So I would definitely spend more time learning about how marketing works before you guys just spam videos. It's always quality over quantity. For example, in the market awareness stage, there's an unaware market, there's a problem aware market that a lot of gurus focus on in the funnel, and there's actually a product aware market, and there's a you aware market. So there's a big funnel, there's different markets for each awareness stage. If you guys truly understand the concept of marketing, you guys will be able to crush it, because the video itself and the creative itself, it's about 70 to 80% of the work that would bring a cold prospect into a customer. So moving on to the last final point is sticking to one product. For example, Coca-Cola. If you find a product like Coca-Cola, this beverage does not solve a problem. So what you need to do is to find a benefit of the benefit. So the benefit of drinking this Coke is refreshment. What's the benefit of refreshment? It could be stress relief. So just learning about those small little things makes majority of the product a winning product. You guys jumping from one product to one product is essentially you guys wasting your own time. I would first try to figure out if the product really has values and if the product also has demand in the market. Once you're very confident in your product, rather than you guys testing the product for maybe 1-2 months and just giving up and just moving on to a different store, really try to understand who your market is, who you're targeting, and how you're going to be able to fulfill the desires that your target prospects may have. If you're confident that your product fulfills a desire in the market, you guys will be able to scale your product. If you're not able to present the product to the right audience, that product will become a failed product. I've tried 20 different products before I found my first winning store, but now I'm just looking back, 85% of the product that I selected was already a winning product. So honestly guys, one last bonus tip that I would give to myself is really believing in yourself. Try to maintain a high pain tolerance. Even though you don't want to do the task, you get it done because you must do it. Don't take failure as an option. As long as you don't quit, you will never be a failure. Please keep that in mind. You can be the one to change your family tree forever. I was exactly in your shoes when I first started. I knew nothing about dropshipping. Now, for today's sale, around 24,000. What really truly motivated me was after 1 month of me really busting my ass off in this dropshipping journey, realizing how much I learned throughout that time really motivated me, and I was imagining how far I would go if I just stuck with it maybe for another 2 months, 6 months, 1 year. Don't fall for the instant gratification. Focus on that delayed gratification. I'm telling you guys right now, you will be able to make it. And the reason why I'm making these videos and the reason why I made this channel actually is for me to showcase to everyone that anyone with the right mindset, have faith, and the daily actions that move you towards your goal every single day. Anyone, I'm telling you, anyone that has Wi-Fi and your phone and your laptop, you will be able to make fucking 6-7 figures in 1 year. If I can do it, you can do it. Believe in yourself, grind like there's no tomorrow, and I promise you, success is inevitable. I'll be waiting for you guys at the top. Peace.